Hello viewer, here we will make the manual shapes to create by hand. So we are using the remover tool. Then we have the option to make the letters shapes on that surface. It looks fascinating to cut that surface and create the designs. So there we are making the designs. So let's generate the more options. Then here we have the design. So that's it.